Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Starbakings. On today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make this super simple sugar syrup. Sugar syrup could be used to soften your cake, enhance its flavor, or sweeten them up. So in this video I will be showing you how to do that. Let's move straight into it. First and foremost, we need a pan on the heat and immediately add your water and your sugar. This is a 1:1 recipe. So if you're using 1 cup of water, you'll be using 1 cup of sugar. Half cup of water is half cup of sugar. So let this sugar dissolve completely. You do not need to overcook this. You just need your sugar to completely dissolve. And make sure as it's boiling, you are stirring it. For more details, tips, and hints on how to bake, do check the description box below. And for written recipe on how I made this, do also check the description box below. Thank you. As you can see, at this point, my sugar syrup is boiling. And as you can also see, there is no sugar left at the bottom. So this is the time for you to switch off your stove. And as you can see clearly, there is no sugar left in there. So at this point, I can be sure to tell you, you have your sugar syrup ready. What next to do is to transfer it into a container whereby you can use it on your cake. So I'm just simply transferring it into this cup and adding my vanilla flavor. Adding your vanilla flavor or whatever flavor you want in there. Give it a quick stir and into your container it goes. So for my container, I have small tiny holes on top of it. So this hole is where my sugar syrup will come out through, and I can easily put them on my cake. Easily spread it evenly on my cake. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that, and give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below in the comment section so as to see how this worked out for you. Thank you so much. See you next time.